Okay, today we went out after the disastrous 20-2 shooting attempt there. It's going to be a separate video. I shot the rest of the collection today. So I've taken all of the guns out, all 16, set them on a bench at 50 yards, fired at the target, and did 10 shots without the bayonet, 10 with the bayonet on. And this, along with the bore measurements and that, I'm going to compare them. We're going to try to see what, prove out all the different things about the bayonet being on. Does it change things? And just roughly, I found the bayonet question with the bayonet on. Most of the guns, let's say 70% of them, there's a change in the point of impact. Accuracy, I don't know. We'll sit down and measure, see if the grouping got larger, smaller. Some guns, it's very visible, like 2-3 inches difference in point of impact. And there are some guns that putting the bayonet on actually makes them less accurate, and there's no very obvious change in the point of impact. It may be a ½ inch, an inch, or I think one of them, they all stayed the same. And there was like no difference whether the bayonet was on or off. So it looks like each gun is like an individual, and some things apply to them, some don't. I've also found I had a gun that was shooting right on, my favorite out of the whole bunch, with one type of ammo. And I'll have another video, just, I don't know even what I'll call it. I was just fooling around for fun. At the end of the day, I had some loose rounds shooting up some ammo, and I noticed that when I shoot one ammo, it's kind of right close on and the groupings stay tight. Well, I put a different ammunition in there. I had like Romanian ammo and I had some of the Russian silver tip. And I shot at the same target side by side. And I mean, the difference was noticeable. It wasn't as accurate with the one ammo as it was with the other. So the guns are also ammunition sensitive. And if we run across this, I have enough data compiled on these guns to kind of see if there's any clues to point to what it is. Is it the stock isn't fitted tight? Is it the barrel's worn or out of spec? Or some of the guns obviously have been shot a lot more than others, and things like that. So I got a couple clips of me shooting these older 91s. Then towards the end, I shoot the M44 carbine in one of the round receiver, the 1943, I think. I got a little bit of clips of me shooting that. So I don't really have a lot in this video of me shooting the guns, because I was kind of in a hurry. I did one thing today, and I was trying to get off the range because people were already pacing back and forth behind me. And I'll go out and with each point, with each individual rifle, I'll make a small video where we take it out and shoot it, and I'll show you that. So, there's more to come. But I'll throw this intro in with a few of the clips of me shooting today, and that'll be the part 2 of shooting the collection. Okay? Okay, we're going to go and shoot our other 8 rifles today after our disaster over with the contest. We're going to test fire, and we're going to get the older ones. This is I got 2 M91s we're going to check out and see what they do, and a few others. And I'll show you some clips while we're doing it.
Ready.
Okay. The Sestoreski shot way low our first round. The Westinghouse did a little better. That's 10 there. And this one here was way lower. So the old timers are shooting a little low, but the groups are fair. I'll put the bayonet on it, aim up top here instead of down, see if there's a difference. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, putting on our M91 bayonet, which is a little bit different from the ones you get with your nagant. This one goes on a little. Not pretty. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to do 10 with the bayonet on. This was shooting low to begin with, so I'm just going to aim a little higher and run this test. Okay. Okay, we're down to the last few guns in the collection to test fire. And let's fire a few off. Okay. Last but not least, everyone's favorite, the M44 carbine. Always a blast to shoot. And it was made in '52, so that's why it's the last one I'm firing. Try to get some more pictures of that good old muzzle blast. Okay, we'll go down and see what they did. Alright, our 1943 shot high without the bayonet, but the bayonet on brought it down. 3 inches or so. The M44 also shot high. The bayonet brought it down a little bit more, closer to the bullseye. Now that's all 16 test fired. Got targets to review, bore measurements, and so I'll kind of review each rifle in different series of videos in each point. And get back and, move in when I'm talking about. Alright, what does it look like when you fire an excess of 200 rounds on a range? Looks like that. Did over 200 rounds today. Different things, screwing around, testing our guns out.